To everyone present over here. I am Asta Patida.
I am Ishika Rathod.
And I am Srikriti Solanki.
Today's assembly is going to be conducted by our class 6M.
We assure you all that
The assembly shall be full of energy and enthusiastic, and we are all going to get some beautiful memories out of it. A glorious day starts with a glorifying thought, and for the same, I would like to call Satakshi and Dishika. The thought is the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. The meaning of the thought is dreams comes true when we fill the distance between dreams and reality. When we fill the distance between dreams and reality with an action, because action speaks louder than words. Thank you, Dishika. And second is a dress of thought. To beautify ourselves with elegant dresses, I would like to call Tanvi, Geet, Dishika, Anant and Abhishek for mannerism. I have a doubt. Not now. Tell me, ma'am, when you are free. This is not correct way. I will tell you right way. Friends, could you please repeat after me? Ma'am, let me know when you are available.
Ma'am, let me know when you are available.
Sir, not now. This is not correct way. I will tell you right way. Friends, could you please repeat after me? Sorry, I am bit busy right now.
Sorry, I am busy right now. Ourselves with the current happening is a good habit. For news, I would like to call.
News headlines are international news. Sri Lanka to resume trade talks with India and China. School news. World Magazine competition is going to be held today on the topic Learn Alive and Hope. Sports news. India for Asia Cup as ICC announced new calendar. National news. Madhya Pradesh CM Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan gave free plots to poor people in Tikamgarh. Breaking news. A small girl named Aradhya got first prize in the poem writing competition. Thank you for your attention, where my friends from my class will be present as kids. For poetry competition, she ran towards her parents and expressed her joy. She told her parents that she will be joining a reputed high school for her next academic year. Parents requested her to stop her education and help them in making pots because they cannot afford her and for her brother's education. Aradhya was heartbroken and sadly accepted her parents' request. Scene 2. One day, when Aradhya's parents were making pots, two of the people came and asked for their help. They said that they were coming from Mr. Balram, the wealthiest person in the city, and informed them that unfortunately Balram had no children and they wanted to adopt their daughter. The father did not accept the request of the two men at first, but later he was convinced by the suggestion of the two men and he accepted to send Aradhya to Balram's house. Scene 3. She didn't know anyone and was feeling so nervous. She felt very tribal. After some time, the owner of the house came and informed her that they both are spending a large amount of money in order to do the household chores and help them in the kitchen. Aradhya felt very sad and she felt so unhappy for leaving her parents. She wanted to run away from the home and go back to her parents, but she thought of her parents' conditions and wanted to live in the same house by sacrificing her life. A long time had gone. Again, the owner of the house came and she started scolding Aradhya for not moving from the place and hiding a bag in her hand. She got angry and pulled the bag from her hands. When she threw the bag, she saw that there was lying a book which was covered with the silver color wrap, and it was written on the book, My Dream. She asked Aradhya, and whose book it was? Aradhya replied that it was her book in which she has written her poetry. Immediately the owner of the house took the book into her hands and she started reading the poem which was written by Aradhya. She was moved by the lines which was Aradhya has written. She surprised to see the knowledge of the girl. Aradhya said, Yes, It was me that who has written the poems, and it was my dream to become a poetess. Immediately, the owner of the house felt so ashamed of her behavior, and she thought that she had nipped the girl's dream. Immediately, she realized her mistake and said to Aradhya that she would help her to reach her goals. After few years, Aradhya achieved her goals. She achieved her dreams and became a great poetess. At last, the moral of the story is if you have a dream to achieve, all the elements of the nature will help you. Dream big and achieve your goals, whatever the situations you are facing. At last, the God will help you in all the ways to achieve your goal.